Welcome to Brainfeed Magazine. From this article, you will learn about Turkey, a culturally diverse country with a rich history, blending Eastern and Western influences. Let's get started. Turkey is a melting pot of different cultures and traditions. It is home to many ethnic groups, with Turkish being the official language. The majority of the population practices Islam, and one of the most important holidays is Ramadan, a month of fasting and reflection. After Ramadan, the festival of Eid al-Fitr is celebrated with feasting, visiting friends and family, and giving gifts. One of Turkey's most colorful traditions is its vibrant bazaars, like the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul. Here, you can find everything from spices and sweets to beautiful carpets and handmade crafts. The Turkish tea culture is also a big part of life. You can often see people enjoying tea together, chatting and laughing. Flora, fauna, and the wildlife. Turkey's landscape is incredibly diverse. From the stunning beaches along the Aegean and Mediterranean coasts to the breathtaking mountains and lush forests, there's so much to explore. In the Cappadocia region, you'll find unique rock formations and cave dwellings that look like something out of a fairy tale. Wildlife lovers can visit national parks like the Gorin National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its magical landscapes and ancient cave churches. You might even spot wild boars, foxes, and various bird species soaring through the skies. Adventure awaits. Turkey is an adventure seeker's paradise. One of the most famous activities is hot air ballooning over Cappadocia, where you can float above the incredible rock formations at Sunrise. For those who love hiking, the Lycian Way is a popular trekking route along the coast, offering stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. You can also explore the ancient ruins of cities like Ephesus and Pamukkale, known for its stunning white travertine terraces filled with thermal waters. If you're a fan of water sports, try paragliding off the cliffs in Oludeniz or go scuba diving in the clear waters of the Aegean Sea. And don't forget to indulge in delicious Turkish cuisine, from savory kebabs to sweet baklava. Turkey is a land of rich history, incredible landscapes, and warm-hearted people. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins or enjoying a cup of tea in a bustling bazaar, Turkey will surely leave you with unforgettable memories. Did you know? Originally built as a cathedral in 537 AD, the Hagia Sophia in Istanbul has served as a mosque and now operates as a museum, showcasing stunning architecture and history. Although often associated with the Netherlands, tulips originated in Turkey. They were cultivated and admired in the Ottoman Empire long before spreading to Europe. Turkey is the only country in the world that is located on two continents, Asia and Europe, making it a cultural crossroads. Located in southeastern Turkey, Göbekli Tepe is considered the oldest known temple in the world, dating back to around 9600 BC, long before Stonehenge. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: Turkey is a culturally diverse country with a rich history, blending Eastern and Western influences. The country offers a variety of landscapes, from stunning coastal areas to historic ruins and unique rock formations. Turkey is a popular destination for adventure seekers, offering opportunities for hiking, hot air ballooning, scuba diving, and exploring ancient sites.